You know what's so funny? I'm such like a tomboy California beach kid, and I don't think I've worn anything structured in my entire life. So going from that to wearing double layer corsets was an adjustment, but one that I would do a million times over to get to wear something that beautifully constructed. It also helped a lot with the character, you know, and like getting into that world because it is so long ago. Posture and yeah, it was really fun. So many, and most of them were from Rob Brydon. He is so brilliant, and we were shooting this in episode 2, this bedding ceremony scene, and he says something like, "Time goes by, we all get older. Here I spy a maiden's shoulder." And I don't think I could keep a straight face. Like I actually just like bust. He's so funny. He's hard to do a scene because he's really funny. You know, there could have been some nurse visits without proper cause back in elementary, the high school, all the schools. But look, school's tough. Being queen, getting married, tougher, but we all got our struggles. What am I watching right now? Oh, The 3-Body Problem. It's very stressful. I just started it on the plane and I was so confused, but now I'm hooked.